I don't like the Jews. I'm guessing that they don't like me too. And you can tell me if I cross the line or if I'm racist. I'll try to keep an open mind. I put them all into a camp, but it's my concentration. I wasn't really there all along. I know I could treat Jews better, and I can probably be no better friend. Tell me if it's too late to try. I know I made Jews cry, and a few million Jews are dead, but I know I could treat the Jews better. If I get a second chance, I'll stop fighting Jews, and I hope that they'll be nice to me too. I was so focused on promoting my own Aryan nation, I forgot about my friendship with Jews. I haven't met too many blacks, but if I had to guess, I must have made them feel left out too. I know I could treat Jews better, and I can. I know I can treat them better friend. Tell me if it's too late to try. I know I made Jews cry, and a few million Jews are dead, but I know I could treat the Jews better if I get a second shot.
Next message. Hi, it's me. I hope you all surviving okay and everything. I don't know how to say this, but
give me some time. I could change, I could try. I made you to soap, I must wash my hands. I just know that I always love Jews in my heart. Promise I won't do this again. I just want to speak together. Maybe we could just come and meet for dinner at Bennigan's. I never meant to make you cry. Is it too late to try? Don't you remember what we said? As long as we stick together, we'll make it to the end. Like that, possibly being a better friend. I just want to start again and coming back to when we just listen to Radiohead. But I know I could treat the Jews better if I get a second chance.